as you can see here, the monthly subscription has been activated automatically. Okay, let me show you again. Just after coming to this page, just click on monthly subscription. As you can see, the monthly subscription has been activated for February 12th or February 20. Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are gonna give you the Qwiklabs new code and link by which you can get Qwiklabs monthly subscription totally for free. And I'm gonna show the whole process in this video on live, so that you can believe that yes, it's 100% working. And if this video got helpful to you and you got a monthly subscription, please make sure to subscribe our channel, because this helps us a lot and give us motivation to make this type of content. So please support us, because we are giving this type of valuable content totally for free. So as you can see here, we have just explored and experimented this code and the link. Because of security purpose, I just have blurred this code because YouTube gonna just ban me if I just show this code directly. Okay, don't worry, but I am gonna give you this code totally for free. Okay, to get this code, what you have to do, let me show you that first. Okay, so you can just you have just come to my channel, and after coming to my channel, you can see here a section called community. Just go to community post, and as you can see here, here is a post that is called monthly subscription January plus February. Yes, you are gonna get 2 months monthly subscription totally for free, Qwiklabs. And click here link. Here is the link. If you just click on this link, you will be redirected to the page where I have uploaded the code. Okay, just go there and get that code. And after getting the code, let me show you the process how you gonna do this. So as you can see, this is our official channel. So we are gonna do this method on our channel, so that you can on our Gmail, so that you can believe that yes, it's 100% working, it's 100% safe and not gonna harm your Gmail or anything. Okay, so okay, let me first of all, let me copy the link. As you can see, from here I have copied the link and paste and go. After clicking paste and go, this will redirect you to this page. And as you can see that you already got the code, just copy the code and paste it over here. After pasting the code, just click on I am not a robot, fill the captcha and click verify. And after doing this, just click on submit. And after doing this, you have to click on sign in, and after that you have to sign in with Google. Okay, after signing with Google, just cross over here. As you can see, we got 9 credits. Okay, on live I have showed that we got 9 credits. So you are querying that we all just got 9 credits, but where is the monthly subscription? Let me show you the whole process. Please watch this video till the end. I'm just gonna take 2 to 3 minutes of yours to show that whole process. And after watching this video for once, you won't need to watch this video again. Okay, just watch till the end and you will be able to get monthly subscription totally for free for 30 days. Sorry, for not only 30 days, for 2 months, for 60 days. Okay, isn't that fair enough to give you 2 to 3 minutes? Okay, let me show the process. So after coming to this page, just go to search box and search over here hands-on lab. Hands-on lab, a tour of Google hands-on lab, and click over here a tour of Google hands-on lab. After coming to this page, just click on this lab, and after few seconds you will be redirected through this page. And after that, we are just gonna click on start lab. Don't worry about that, I'm gonna show everything. And click on I'm not a robot. If you get any error to start this lab, then go to chat support and say that you are having a problem, and they will fix this. Okay, so after doing all this stuff and starting the lab, just open the Google console in incognito mode. Okay, and after that you just copy the password and go to this page and sign in next and paste the password and click on I understand. After coming to this page, wait for a couple of seconds and then click on I agree and terms and services and agree and continue. Okay, after clicking agree and continue, just minimize this page and come over here again, and after that just go to the task 4. Okay, API and services, directly go to task 4, and as you can see here is an option that is called dialog API. Copy the dialog API text, copy over here and go here and search over here. Okay, search over here dialog API and you'll be shown the first option, that is dialog flow API, and click on that. After clicking on this, we have come to another page. Oh, here it is. Just scroll down a little bit and you'll get an option that is the logo will appear like API Google X Enterprise API dialog flow API, and click over here. We'll cut this page, and after coming to this page you will be shown like this. Okay, just click on enable, and after a couple of seconds, or it may take a while to start the dialog flow API. As you can see, our dialog flow API has been enabled, so you don't have to do anything here. So just minimize and come over here. Okay, so after doing dialog API, let us check our progress and click over here, check my progress. Wait for, as you can see that our work have been done. Okay, so our progress has been done, so it tick mark. So after doing all this stuff, then you have to wait for 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, as you can see, the lab time is 42 minutes and 30 seconds. So I will get you on this video after 6 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna skip the video. So guys, as you can see, we are back after 6 minutes. So now we are just gonna shut down or end the lab. Okay, just click on end lab and just click on end lab and just put a random comment. Okay, just putting good and give that 5 star, and after doing all this stuff, just click on submit, and that's it. Okay, then get back, coming to this page, and just shut down this page, and after that you can see it's now showing 9 kids. So we'll just click on X profile icon. Okay, and after that we'll just as you can see here, the monthly subscription has been activated automatically. Okay, let me show you again. Just after coming to this page, just click on monthly subscription. As you can see, the monthly subscription has been activated for February 12 or February 20. Okay, for 2 months. Isn't that great? Okay, if you I know that some of you guys are gonna get some trouble that now they are still showing 9 credits. Okay, if you get this problem, just refresh this page for 2 to 3 times. Okay, just refresh this page 2 to 3 times and you will automatically get this option, that is monthly subscription. So I have shown you the process of getting monthly subscription totally for free on live on my professional YouTube channel, Gmail account, so that you can believe. So make sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to all, and also give a thumbs up, must give a thumbs up to this video. And to get this code, just go to community and click over here, click on the link and you'll get the code. So thanks for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care and bye bye.